Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best meat thermometer is probably one of the most essential tools for any home chef looking to achieve culinary perfection. Whether you're roasting a succulent turkey, grilling a juicy steak, or slow cooking a tender brisket, a reliable meat thermometer ensures your dishes are cooked to the ideal internal temperature, guaranteeing both safety and flavor. Join me as we dive into the world of meat thermometers and find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. ThermoPro TP16 Digital Cooking Thermometer. This is the ThermoPro TP16, a digital cooking thermometer designed for precision. It's perfect for meat, ovens, smokers, and stovetops, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. It comes with USDA preset temperature settings for various foods. You can also customize these settings to match your personal preferences. This feature makes cooking easier and more accurate. The TP16 also includes a timer mode with both countdown and count-up capabilities. It can time up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. This is useful for all your cooking needs. The probe and wire can withstand high temperatures, up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. It measures temperatures from 32 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit with high accuracy. This ensures reliable readings every time. It features a food-grade stainless steel probe and a long cable for easy use. The magnetic back and hanging hole provide convenient storage options. This makes it easy to use and store. The ThermoPro TP16 is NSF certified, ensuring it's food safe and environmentally friendly. This certification provides you with confidence in the product's quality and safety. What we like. This thermometer offers USDA preset temperatures, making it incredibly easy to cook your food to perfection. It also has a timer mode, perfect for keeping track of cook times. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking, you should consider this one. What people say. The interface is straightforward, and the LCD display is easy to read, even from a distance or in dim lighting. One of the best features is the preset temperature settings for different types of meat, based on USDA recommendations. The stainless steel probe is sturdy, long enough to insert into thick cuts of meat, and the heat-resistant cable handles oven use with no issues at all. Number 4. Meter Plus, Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This is the Meter Plus, the smart wireless meat thermometer. It's been rated the best by experts. You can trust it for perfect results every time. Cook with complete freedom, indoors or outdoors. This long-range model uses Bluetooth. You can easily monitor your cooking progress with the free app. The stylish bamboo block charges the meter probe. It also helps with connectivity. Make sure it's close to your cooking area. This meat thermometer has dual temperature sensors. It monitors both internal and ambient temperatures. It's also dishwasher safe, with no calibration needed. The app's guided cook system ensures perfect results. You can set custom alerts. The algorithm estimates cooking times, so you can relax. It's a must-have for cookouts and BBQs. The Meter app provides real-time alerts. You can enjoy time with friends and family while it does the work. Give the ultimate grilling experience with the Meter Plus. It's a great gift for any occasion. It's always on the list for top grilling gifts. What we like. With its wireless and wire-free design, this thermometer gives you complete freedom to move around while cooking. The guided cook system in the app ensures perfect results every time. If you like convenience and want to impress your guests with perfectly cooked meals, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works using an app that can be downloaded for either phones or tablets using Android or iOS operating systems. This probe works well to monitor food inside any oven and even in cookers like the Ninja Speedy, Ninja Grills, and pressure cookers. Cooking progress can be monitored wherever you can take your phone or tablet in the house. You don't have to stay in the kitchen. Number 3. ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. Tired of staying near the grill? This wireless meat thermometer offers a remarkable 500-foot range. It uses radio frequency technology for a stronger and more stable connection, letting you monitor your food from a distance. Forget complicated setups. This device requires no synchronization or app downloads. The receiver clearly displays both food and oven temperatures simultaneously with a built-in backlight. It's simple and user-friendly. Need a timer for your cooking? This thermometer features both count-up and countdown settings, perfect for long cooks or side dishes. The receiver will alert you with beeps and flashes when the time is up or the temperature is reached. Achieve perfect results every time. It comes with USDA recommended temperature settings for various meats and doneness levels. You can also customize the temperatures to your preferences. Monitor 2 items at once with the included food-grade stainless steel probes. The step-down tip design ensures accurate readings, precise to 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe wires can withstand high temperatures. What we like. This thermometer boasts an impressive 500 feet remote range, allowing you to monitor your food from a distance. The hassle-free setup means you can start using it right away. If you have a large outdoor space or enjoy entertaining, this thermometer will keep you informed without being tethered to the grill. What people say. Controlling your grill's temperature is crucial to turning out great food. The temperature difference between my Weber's built-in gauge and the ThermoPro probe resting on the grate is about 100 degrees. And the ThermoPro reacts faster and more accurately to the vent adjustments and temperature fluctuations. With the ThermoPro, I was able to quickly tune and stabilize the Weber's temperature to that range. The wings turned out perfect. The whole system is easy to use. I haven't had any signal issues with it. I've only used it in my oven so far. Number 2. ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Meat Thermometer. This smoker thermometer will alert you with flashes and beeps if the grill's temperature goes outside your set range. It's designed specifically for smokers, grills, and BBQs, letting you know when to add more fuel. This thermometer lets you monitor 2 meats or the grill's temperature at once. It comes with USDA preset temperatures, but you can also customize them manually. The large display shows both food and oven grill smoker temperatures, along with a timer. The backlight makes it easy to see the information in any lighting. The oven thermometer is accurate to within plus-minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly alerting you to temperature changes. It can operate in temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook anything. With its front-facing buttons, this digital meat thermometer is easy to use. It stores easily with a flip-out stand and magnetic back, perfect for any kitchen or grill. What we like. This thermometer features a high-low temperature alarm, alerting you when your grill goes outside the desired range. With dual probes, you can monitor multiple items at once. If you are a smoker or grill master who wants precise control and easy monitoring, you should consider this one. What people say. Would wires really fit through the closed oven door with no problem to the seal as it closed? I discovered this was absolutely no problem, simple and intuitive. You can't tell the door is affected in the least by the super thin wire. Very easily, at least for me, I didn't have to read anything to figure this out within seconds just goofing around with it. You can set the thermometer to go off by either timer or temperature. Readings are very quick and accurate. Having 4 probes is an awesome luxury when you're e.g. cooking several steaks at once, BBQing, etc., or cooking a bird where you need breast and thigh readings at the same time. Number 1. ThermoPro TP16S Digital Meat Thermometer. This digital cooking thermometer is perfect for any cooking environment. It comes with a long cord and a probe that provides accurate temperature readings. You can choose from 6 preset options or set your own custom temperatures. It allows you to cook your food exactly how you like it. The large screen makes it easy to monitor temperatures and the remaining time. This feature ensures you always know what's happening with your food. The orange backlight is easily activated in low light conditions. The auto-off feature helps conserve battery life. It's easy to store away with its built-in magnet and stand. You can also hang it from a hook. What we like. This thermometer comes with a backlight and timer, making it easy to use in any lighting condition. The multiple storage options give you flexibility in your kitchen. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-store thermometer, you should consider this one. What people say. So easy to use, place in your meat and close the door. I love that I can see the temperature as it changes and the alarm when the correct temperature has been reached. Product is easy to set up and it does exactly what it's for. I loved seeing the exact temperature of my meat at every step of the process rather than guessing and having to remove the meat from the oven to check. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.